Hi, come on in. Yeah, sorry, I'm just eating. What do you need? Oh, you need a tampon? Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you come up here, it's kind of hidden in front of my desk, but it's kind of hidden behind that whiteboard, but it's right here on the side of my desk. And there's 3 drawers, and I have pads in one of the drawers, and then I have tampons in the other drawers. So just take whatever you want or need, and I have plenty. So don't worry about taking too many. You can always come back and get more. I have plenty of restock. So yeah. Did you get what you need? Okay. Do you need anything else? Are you feeling okay? Okay, good. Well, let me know if you need anything else. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Of course, anytime. You're so welcome. Bye.